Now, I'm going to explain my fifth lab experiment on next word prediction using LSTM. So, next word prediction is an important application in NLP where each system predicts the next word in the sentence based on the previous words. For example, if there is a sentence like I'm going to the, so we need to predict the next word. So, the model predicts the next word as school or market. So, in this experiment, we use LSTM, which is a long short term memory, which is a type of recurrent neural network that is a very good at understanding sequence of words. So, the main aim of this experiment is to build a deep learning model using LSTM that can predict the next word in the sequence of a text. So, while coming to the code, first we import required libraries. So we use NumPy for numerical operations, TensorFlow and Keras for building deep learning models, tokenizer and padding tools for text processing. So these libraries helps us prepare data and train the LSTM model. After that, we are giving the input text data. So next we define the text data set. This can be a paragraph, a sentence or a multiple lines of text. So this text will be used to train our model so it can learn word patterns. After that, while coming to the tokenization process, tokenization means splitting sentences into words. So and then assigning a unique number to each word. So this is done using the tokenizer. After this, each word will have a numerical representation. So after that, now we are creating sequences from the text. So for example, if there is a sentence like I love machine learning, we create a sequence like I, comma, I love mission, comma, I love machine learning. So this helps the model learn patterns step by step. So after that, since all the sequences are not of equal length, we apply padding. So padding ensures that all the sequences become same length. So when we have shorter sequences, it will get extra zeros at the beginning, which means shorter sequences will get extra zeros at the beginning. So this is required for LSTM model input. After that, we are splitting um, input and output. So input, which is the sequence of words, and next word, which is the output. So for example, if we have the input like I love mission, the output will be learning. So this helps the model learn what comes next. After that, we are converting now we convert output words into the categorical form. So this is done using one-hot encoding. So this step helps the model understand prediction as a classification problem. So after that, we are building a LSTM model. So now we are building a deep learning model. This model consists of three main layers, which is the first one is embedding layer, which converts the words into the dense vectors. After that, there is an LSTM layer which learns sequence patterns. After that, we have a dense layer which predicts the next word, which is the output. So this LSTM layer is the most important because it remembers the previous words. After that, we are training the model. So next we train the model using the trained data. We define the number of epochs, batch size. So during training, the model learns word relationships and it will and the loss will gradually decreases and the accuracy will improve. After that, we are predicting the next word. So now we create a function to predict the next word. So inside this, we will take the input sentence, then we will convert it into the tokens, then we will pad the sequence, and finally we will pass the final input into the trained model where the trained model will give the predicted word. So after that, we are testing the model using the sample input. So we gave the input as machine learning is the subset of. So we uploaded this input to our trained model and it predicted the next word as artificial. So that's all. So thus we successfully implemented a next word prediction using LSTM. So the model was able to learn word sequences and predict the next word with good accuracy. So that's all for today. Thank you.